10 must-have survival gear and gadgets you can't ignore. When it comes to survival gear, having the right tools and gadgets can make the difference between a successful adventure and an unfortunate mishap. Whether you're trekking through rugged terrain, camping in the wild, or preparing for an emergency, the right gear can give you peace of mind and ensure you're ready for anything. In today's video, we'll be talking about 10 must-have survival gear and gadgets that you simply can't ignore in 2025. These products have been hand-picked for their reliability, durability, and efficiency, making them essential additions to your survival kit. Let's dive in and explore these game-changing tools. Titan Sports Ultralight Sleeping Bag. One of the most important pieces of survival gear is a reliable sleeping bag, and the Titan Sports Ultralight Sleeping Bag has earned its place as one of the best. Designed for both comfort and efficiency, this sleeping bag is perfect for anyone who wants to pack light, but still stay warm and protected from the elements. It's filled with high-quality synthetic insulation, which ensures you stay warm even in colder temperatures, and it has a water-resistant shell to protect you from moisture. What sets the Titan Sports Ultralight Sleeping Bag apart is its weight. Coming in at just over 2 pounds, it won't weigh you down on long hikes. It's also designed to keep you cozy down to temperatures as low as 20 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for most camping or survival scenarios. The only downside? If you're heading into extreme cold conditions, you may want to look at a heavier sleeping bag. However, for general outdoor activities and survival situations, this one is a top pick. Goal Zero Venture 30 Solar Recharger. Having a reliable source of power is crucial when you're off the grid, and that's where the Goal Zero Venture 30 Solar Recharger comes into play. This portable power bank is designed to keep your devices charged, whether you're out hiking in the mountains or stranded during an emergency. What makes it so special is its built-in solar panel, which allows you to recharge the device using the power of the sun. With a 7,800 mAh capacity, it can charge your phone, tablet, or camera multiple times, making it a lifesaver when you're in the wilderness and can't access electricity. The Venture 30 is rugged, water-resistant, and features multiple ports for charging different devices simultaneously. While it's a bit on the heavier side compared to other portable chargers, the fact that you can recharge it without a plug makes it invaluable for survival situations where access to electricity is limited. X-Attack NanoStriker XL. A reliable fire-starting tool is a must for any survival kit, and the X-Attack NanoStriker XL is one of the best tools for the job. This small yet powerful fire starter packs a punch with its ability to create a spark, even in the most challenging weather conditions. The NanoStriker XL uses a high-quality ferrocerium rod that can produce a shower of sparks at temperatures up to 5,500 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring that you can start a fire no matter the environment. Its compact size makes it easy to carry in your pocket, backpack, or survival kit, and it even includes a replaceable striker for long-term use. One thing to note is that, like any fire starter, it requires practice to master, so it's important to familiarize yourself with its use before you're in an emergency situation. But once you get the hang of it, the X-Attack NanoStriker XL is an incredibly efficient and reliable fire starter. Thermarest Neo Air Uberlight Sleeping Pad. When it comes to comfort during a camping or survival trip, your sleeping pad is essential. The Thermarest Neo Air Uberlight Sleeping Pad is one of the lightest and most compact options available, yet it doesn't sacrifice comfort or insulation. Weighing in at just 8 ounces, this pad packs down smaller than most water bottles, making it an ideal choice for backpackers who want to save space and weight without compromising comfort. The Uberlight uses thermocapture technology to trap and reflect your body heat, keeping you warm even in chilly temperatures. Its minimalist design makes it perfect for those who need to maximize every inch of space in their pack, but it also offers a comfortable sleeping surface with enough padding for a good night's rest. While it's not as durable as some heavier pads for the weight and comfort it offers, it's a standout option for any survival kit. Sea to Summit Sleeping Mat. The Sea to Summit Sleeping Mat is another excellent option for outdoor enthusiasts, combining comfort with durability and ease of use. This mat is inflatable, lightweight, and features an insulated design to keep you warm during chilly nights in the wilderness. Its multifunctional valve allows for quick inflation and deflation, which means you'll spend less time setting up camp and more time enjoying your surroundings. The mat's foam core provides excellent insulation from the cold ground, and it offers a comfortable sleeping surface that will help you rest well for the next day's adventure. While it may not be as compact as some ultralight alternatives, Its durability and comfort make it an ideal choice for those who value a good night's sleep in survival situations. Whether you're camping or in need of emergency shelter, this mat is a great addition to your gear. Caddying free water filtration system. Having access to clean drinking water is one of the most critical survival needs, and the caddying free water filtration system ensures you're always prepared. This water filter is fast, effective, and incredibly easy to use. It's capable of filtering out harmful bacteria, protozoa, and other pathogens, making any water source safe to drink. The Befree system is designed for on-the-go use. It's lightweight, compact, and can be filled directly from a stream, river, or lake. With a flow rate that's 5 times faster than other filters, it's the perfect solution for anyone who needs to hydrate quickly during a hike or in an emergency. JetBoil Jet Set Cooking Kit. The JetBoil Jet Set Cooking Kit is a revolutionary way to cook on the go. Compact, efficient, and easy to use, this cooking system combines a lightweight stove and pot into one streamlined package that's perfect for boiling water, cooking meals, or making hot beverages. With its patented fluxing technology, the JetBoil can boil water in just a few minutes, saving you precious time and fuel when you need it most. The JetSet kit includes everything you need to start cooking, including the stove, pot, lid, and a stabilizing tripod. It's an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts who want a quick and efficient cooking solution without carrying bulky equipment. Night Eyes Steely Magnetic Phone Mount. When you're on the move, having your phone accessible is essential for navigation, communication, and safety. The Night Eyes Steely Magnetic Phone Mount is a simple yet highly effective gadget that allows you to mount your phone to virtually any surface. Whether you're in a vehicle, tent, or even a tree, the Steely mount can hold your phone securely in place with a powerful magnetic system. It's perfect for keeping your phone within reach, without the need for bulky mounts or clips. The only thing to keep in mind is that it may not be suitable for very large phones or those with heavy cases. But for most phones, the Steely mount is a fantastic option to keep your device handy. Nemo Equipment Sonic Sleeping Pad. Another excellent sleeping pad is the Nemo Equipment Sonic Sleeping Pad, which combines advanced technology with comfort and durability. This pad uses a combination of air and foam to create a cushioned sleeping surface that's both light and insulating. The Sonic Sleeping Pad's unique design allows for a high level of comfort without sacrificing packability, making it a great option for hikers and campers. It's also equipped with a high-performance valve system that makes inflation and deflation a breeze. The downside? It's a little pricier than some other sleeping pads, but the level of comfort and performance it offers makes it a solid investment for serious adventurers. Climate Insulated V Sleeping Pad. Last but certainly not least, the Climate Insulated V Sleeping Pad is an essential addition to any survival or camping kit. Known for its signature V-shaped design, this pad provides excellent insulation and comfort, keeping you warm even in freezing temperatures. The V-shape helps reduce air movement, preventing heat loss and providing a comfortable night's sleep on any surface. The pad is inflatable, lightweight, and easy to pack, making it a perfect option for backpackers and hikers. While it may not be as thick as some other pads, the Climate Insulated V Sleeping Pad offers great warmth and comfort for the weight and size, making it a top choice for those who need a reliable sleeping pad for outdoor adventures. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.